Most people work their whole life and still stay broke, but a few people do almost nothing and get rich. The difference is one simple trick called compound interest. Let me show you with stickmen. Meet stick A and stick B. Both start with the same $100. Stick A puts his money in a high-yield savings account. Stick B spends his on snacks and games. After 1 year, Stick A's money becomes $105. He now earns interest on $105, not just $100. This is called compound interest. It means you earn interest on your interest. Now let's jump ahead 10 years. Stick A's first $100 has grown to about $163. He did nothing extra, just left the money alone. Now let's go to year 20.
That same $100 is now almost $265. Year 30, over $430, all from one single $100 and time. But what if Stick A adds $100 every year? After 30 years, it becomes thousands of dollars. Now look at Stick B. He spent every $100. He has zero. Same starting money, completely different results. The only difference? Time and compound interest. You don't need to be rich to start. Even $10 or $20 every week is enough. The most important thing is to start early, because time is the real superpower. So today, open a high-yield savings account or start a small automatic investment. Then leave it alone and let time do the work. That is how regular people become quietly rich. If this video helped you understand compound interest, subscribe for more simple money videos like this. See you in the next one.